Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a hard jerk type beat. First, let's lay the groundwork by understanding the key components that define this energetic style. We'll then pick out some powerful drum sounds to ensure your beat hits hard right from the start. Finally, we'll set the perfect tempo, typically around 130 to 140 beats per minute, to capture that signature jerk bounce. Now, let's dive into the drums. Start by programming a robust kick drum pattern, giving your beat a solid, driving foundation. Next, place a crisp snare drum on the second and fourth counts of each measure to provide that essential backbeat. Then, layer in some hi-hats, focusing on an off-kilter, syncopated rhythm to give it that unique jerk feel. This combination creates the infectious groove. With the drums locked in, it's time to add some melodic elements. Craft a simple, repetitive bass line using a deep, resonant tone to provide a strong low-end presence. Then, introduce a catchy, minimalist melody, perhaps with a bright synth, to add an ear-grabbing hook. Remember to keep these elements sparse and ensure they complement the drum groove, rather than cluttering the mix, for maximum impact. Finally, let's bring it all together. Arrange your beat into a full song structure, including intros, verses, and choruses to keep listeners engaged. Then, mix your sounds carefully, ensuring each element has its own space and contributes to a clear, impactful sound. Pay attention to levels and basic equalization. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to check the link in the description below. Happy producing!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.